I don't know what exactly I'm looking for. My feet are so cold and my hands are so cold. This pancakes from Serums. Oh, to submit an assignment. Have something soupy. We are the people in other people's lives. It's so spicy, but it's just hitting the spot. So good. Hello, good morning. If you're new here, this is Ramya and you're watching Recreates. And if you're someone who watches my channel regularly, I am so grateful to you. This video is gonna be days in my life in the last month of 2025. I think it's 11 a.m. and I finished my workout. So I'm gonna make my breakfast smoothie for today. I'm watching Stranger Things right now. I actually felt so strange to watch Stranger Things. I don't know why. So this is my lunch. I'm having one katori rice and 2 eggs with Stranger Things right now. Now it's about to be 3. I had my lunch. I took a nice shower. Right now I made myself ginger lemon water to stay awake. I don't know what exactly I'm looking for, but I'm just working on it. I'll let you know if I find anything. It's almost 5 p.m. right now and it's so cold in Bangalore. My feet are so cold and my hands are so cold. I just want to have something hot right now. I'm thinking to make some chai. It's the next day. We are studying right now with my black ginger coffee. Like I want to build a project this week. My own project and my major project as well. Okay guys, it's exactly 10:59 right now. We are gonna try this pancakes from Serums. I'm having this from literally 3 months. It's like lying around in my house. I'm making this for the first time. So instructions to padne padenge. Half packet of pancake mix, 1 teaspoon of oil and half cup of milk into a smooth batter. Oh. This is my pretty breakfast bar. It's around 2 right now. I finished my lunch. Now I have to submit an assignment which is like very last minute. Hi guys. The one day I literally decide to sit and finish my work or do something or plan something to do you even hear my voice? I've been attacked from cold and cough literally on a random evening. I literally want to take initiative in introducing my friends. They have been in my life for the past 3 days. Firstly, cute ego socks, my friend the steamer who puts me to sleep, and I have Dolo as usual, and also cough syrup is literally a sick person's mess. But I literally want to have something soupy, so I'm thinking to make this soupy noodle recipe which I saw on the internet. Step 1 is to chop some vegetables. I'm really skeptical about the broth, like she's using turmeric and ginger. First of all, I'm so hungry, but other day when I was scrolling, I just came across this and I felt it was so real. It goes like, we do not have people in our lives, like we are the people in other people's lives. Like, if you get it. I don't know, I just got it at the first go. She says that even we deserve to have people like us in our lives. That just made real sense. Okay, now for the soup, I have everything in this jar. I just need to soak it with hot water. I have my ways to, like retreat from whatever is happening in my life. That could be cooking, running, working out. Mhm. Please don't come out or be stupid, okay? This rice and water. We are gonna have the discussion of life because I don't have noodles at home. I have Maggie. I'm a person who's very scared to put salt to any dish I make. I don't know why. It's just in my blood because either my food will taste good, will be comforting, but it won't have salt, or else it's gonna be salty and disgusting. Can you see that? For the record, it's so spicy, but it's just hitting the spot. Like when you're sick and you have that urge to have spiciest pani puri, that's what this is giving.